Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make FALOODA. It's a very nice and refreshing summer drink, and you can customize it with your favorite toppings. Now let's get to the recipe. So firstly, soak some sabja seeds. I added about 3 tablespoons of sabja seeds and cover it with some water and just let it sit for a while. And make sure you mix it about 2 to 3 times. Now we're going to make the rose milk. So to do this, in a pan, boil some milk. You will need to boil the milk and then let it chill for a while. If this is taking you too long, you can skip it and add chilled sweetened milk instead. Make sure you keep mixing it so it doesn't burn. If you want, you can also add the rose syrup into the milk while it's boiling, but I did it the other way. Now you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now we're going to prepare the vermicelli or sieve. So to do this, boil 2 cups of water and then add half cup of vermicelli. This will usually only take a couple of minutes, so make sure you boil it until it cooks. Once it's all cooked, now you can strain the water out and mix it a little. I also poured some cold water on top of it. Now you can make the FALOODA, so you can go in whatever order you like. So firstly I'm adding the vermicelli, and now I'm adding a few spoons of rose syrup. As I mentioned earlier, you can customize it with your favorite ingredients and toppings. And now I'm adding the soaked sabja seeds. Now I'm going to add a scoop of Hokey Pokey ice cream. You can use whatever ice cream you want. You can use vanilla ice cream or anything. And now I'm adding the boiled milk. And I'm topping it up again with some sabja seeds and some rose syrup. And the milk again. And finally, I'm adding a big scoop of Hokey Pokey ice cream. Make it look really good. I'm going to pour some rose syrup all over the ice cream. And I'm adding chopped almonds to top it off. This will have a really nice and crunchy taste. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a big like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell down below to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. Bye!